Hi, this is Steve at Resource Management Systems. In this Asset Placer video, we're going to take a look at the features for assigning a resource to multiple placements and why and how we'd go about using this feature. So as you can see, I've logged into the asset-placer.co.uk website. I've got my list of placements for the week. If you've been watching some of the videos that I created earlier today, you'll know that I created this placement for Jeffrey's house. If I click the preview button here, we can see a few details. It was a day shift from 7 AM to 7 PM, and the general manager there who phoned in wanted to request some domestic staff to fulfill placements for tomorrow, Tuesday the 25th, and through to the end of the week, Friday the 28th. We took a copy of that original to create the additional shifts, and what I'm going to do now is just use the show hide filters option to just filter us down so as we're just seeing those shifts that we created. So I'll just select the Jeffrey's house location, click submit. So a few different shifts there, so I'm just going to select a placement type of day as well. Click submit again. Now we have just the 4 placements that we created earlier today for Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday this week. We did initially assign Barak to fulfill this. We haven't yet confirmed Barak's available to fulfill these, but perhaps in a scenario where one of your temporary contractors has proactively phoned in to request shifts. Perhaps you've spoken to them before you've had an opportunity to speak with Barak and want to assign them to all the shifts. So I'm just going to use this top box here to select all of the shifts on the grid that I have now. And I'm going to click the Assign Multiple Resources button. That will open up a pop-up or modal window with a summary of the first shift, that Tuesday 7 to 7 shift. Give me the option to change both the resource type assigned and also the specific resource name. Now, Jeffrey's house still want domestic staff for this day shift, but we're going to say that Bugs has proactively phoned into the office and requested shifts, and we're just going to assign all of those over to him. I'm just being prompted that we already have a resource assigned to one or more placements, and do I want to continue? Well, yes, I do. I do want to assign Bugs to all these shifts. As you can see, if I scroll over to the right, we've got Bugs assigned to all those shifts. What we can also do is, if we just tick the options again using that button on the top left, so we can confirm Bugs on these shifts. So click yes, confirm by myself. It was over the phone. We will just make a note that Bugs called in requesting placements, just in case that's important in the future. And click submit. And what we've done there is not only assigned Bugs to more than one placement at one time, but we've also confirmed him in a few very easy steps. I hope that you've seen how the assign multiple resource option can save you time in your day-to-day work, that you've found this video useful. I trust that you'll keep getting the benefit of using Asset Placer software in your business.